here we have whisking it up the modern way.
How weird!
Look at that. Teamportsmouth can harness this kind of technology. We have the know-how. So, yeah, we do. Unfortunately, it's the shortened version, so we've got a short memory card, so I'm afraid that's the last you get to see of our awesome whisking. Say goodbye, Chloe.
Mike, what have you done? More whisking.
Oh, it's here.
Yeah.
I see.
Hey! Are you having fun?
I am.
Yay.
Unfortunately, we have no book to cook by, but what we are cooking by...
My
the
mum's
yellow
recipe!
sheet. Although,
Yay!
to be honest, and unfair, we're not actually cooking by it.
No.
We've gone in the complete opposite direction.
We're cooking next to it, you are. I'm not.
We're cooking by this.
I'm greasing by Mike, who is cooking by the sheet, and I am greasing by the Mike, who is cooking by the sheet. Yay! Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Look at that whisking. Look at that whisking.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Neat.
Beautiful.
I think we are going a little bit mad.
You've actually gone insane. Look what we're adding. Pink food colouring to the cake.
I think it's crazy.
Right, let's open it.
Cake. Dun, 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 dun.
And the complete reckless abandon for all measuring.
Witness the madness. Ooh. Now someone is bleeding into the cake. Mix. That doesn't look good.
My finger! A little bit more. We want it very pink.
I'm sure Colin will be pleased to hear this. A finger in your cake.
Finger in his cake? What are you on about? What are you doing with cake? Oh my, that's looking more pink than I imagined.
Oh wait, red.
Oh, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful.
Ooh.
Good one, man.
It is.
We're cooking by the book.
It's a crazy cake.
We use a messy recipe.
This messy recipe. See that? That's red. That's red and not pink.
Well, I've got unsteady hands, yes.
Because Mike is too ambitious with food colouring.
I've got unsteady hands.
It's your fault.
I know.
And look how much icing sugar we've used.
And look how much icing we've got.
So much. Red icing. It looks like paint.
Probably tastes better.
Yum.
Is the cake a few minutes in? Probably about 20 minutes in, 25 minutes in.
We don't know because we didn't check and the clock's
pretty squishy. It's not coming back up though, so it's probably like another 15, 20 minutes probably.
Nice.
Back in you go, Mr. Cake. Look, it's even smiling.
Oh.
It's so happy to be cooked. It's got a little smiley face there and an eye bulging out. Hi, Cake.
Hi.
Thick.
Yay, pink cake.
Right, that's just
Yeah, speed up, speed up.
Oh shit.
It's spreading itself.
Just so you know guys, this is going to be a DDR arrow.
Because we have an arrow made by me. The cake has been presented and eaten. Mike, how is it?
very, very good.
Can you taste the pink?
I can. Look at it. You can see the pink. It's awesome. Although, look. A failure.
Oh no!
Floor! That's a floor on
But
our cake.
give me now.
Oh look, that
Yum.
piece as well, yeah.
It's so moist.
It's kind of like
That's what she said.
oh,
Ew.
gay
That's a good
cake,
thing to have.
gay cake.
Oops, bad miss.
I need to collect all my cards up, don't I?
Good.
It's a piece of cake to bake a pretty cake.